7 habits that keep strong seniors stronger than most 40-year-olds. It's no secret that as we age, we lose muscle. But did you know that by 80, you could lose up to half of your muscle mass? That's a serious decline. And it's not just about looking fit. It's about staying independent, mobile, and mentally sharp. But here's the good news. You can fight back. Many people in their 70s and 80s are stronger than folks half their age, and science is showing us exactly how they're doing it. Habit 1. Strength training with a plan. Forget endless cardio. If you want to stay strong, you need to lift. Smart. Focus on full-body exercises like squats, deadlifts, and rows. Don't just go through the motions. Train with intensity. Over time, aim to increase the challenge, heavier weight, slower reps, etc. Pro tip: slow down the lowering part of each rep, eccentric training. It boosts strength gains and helps protect joints. Habit 2. Train your brain-body connection. As we age, our nerves don't talk to our muscles as efficiently. That leads to weakness, not just in strength, but in balance and coordination. Stay sharp with activities like Tai Chi, dancing, ping pong, or tennis. Use breathing techniques like box breathing to calm your nervous system. Support your brain-muscle link with nutrients like B vitamins, alpha-lipoic acid, and acetyl-L-carnitine. Habit 3. Feed your body. Right muscles don't grow on protein alone. They need a full spectrum of nutrients. Key ones include magnesium, glycinate or threonate, creatine, zinc, selenium, and B12. Get tested to check for deficiencies, especially in older age. Supplement smartly. Not all forms of a vitamin are equally effective. Habit 4. Keep inflammation in check. Low-level inflammation is like rust in the body. It wears you down slowly, including your muscles. Sleep 7 to 9 hours consistently. Eat a gut-friendly diet, 30-plus plants per week, fermented foods, and fiber. Add anti-inflammatory foods like berries, green tea, turmeric, and olive oil. Mix in high-effort intervals with your exercise routine to boost recovery and immunity. Habit 5. Get enough vitamin D and K2. Vitamin D is critical for bone health and muscle function, but it needs a partner. D3 plus K2 combo helps keep your bones strong and your arteries clear. Adults over 50 often need 2,000 to 4,000 IU of D3 daily. Ask your doctor to test your levels. Deficiency is incredibly common. Habit 6. Eat protein. The smart way: older adults need more protein, not less, but when you eat it matters. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Spacing it out helps your body actually use it to rebuild muscle. Choose high-quality sources: eggs, yogurt, legumes, lean meats, tofu. Habit 7. Embrace small, positive stress. Controlled stress makes the body stronger. This concept is called hormesis. Try cold exposure, cold showers, ice baths, heat therapy, saunas 4 to 7 times a week, intermittent fasting like eating in an 8-hour window, isometric exercises, hold a position with maximum tension. These stressors boost resilience, metabolism, and even mitochondrial health. Final thoughts. Aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. The habits above are simple, science-backed, and powerful when done consistently. Start now. Your future self will thank you. And hey, if this inspired you, share it with someone who's ready to get stronger at any age.